My name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani. Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for SAT. We have been solving SAT math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 980. Please turn to it. Page 980. And today is our lesson number 148. Let's take a look at it. Problem number 11 is a medium problem on a scale of 1 through 16. Number 11 is a medium question. We are told that x and y are positive integers. We are told that x and y are positive integers. We are also told that 4 times 2 raised to x equals 2 raised to y. The question simply is, what's the value of x in terms of y? So how much is x is what they're looking for. Forget about in terms of y, mumbo jumbo. Just solve for x, that's all they're looking for. Just solve for x. Let's do it then, shall we? All they're trying to see here in this problem is to figure out if you know how to manipulate your exponents. That's all it is. For example, 4 here can be written as 2 squared, obviously. So here we have 2 squared times 2 raised to x, which we are told is same as 2 raised to y. And since we have the same basis here of 2 and 2, therefore 2 raised to 2 times 2 raised to x can be written as 2 raised to 2 plus x, which we are told is same as 2 raised to y. And again, since we have the same basis, which means if the bases are the same, these exponents have to be equal. Therefore, 2 plus x equals y. And we want to find out what x is. Well, subtract 2 from both sides. This is a positive 2, subtract 2 from both sides. When we end up x equals y minus 2. That's it. Listen, I'm not going to do the baby step. I changed my mind. This is too baby. Okay? Therefore, x equals y minus 2. That's your answer. And that's answer choice A. Let's go on to the next one then. Let's go on to the next one. Number 12. Number 12. In number 12, we are told that the degree measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 4. By how many degrees does the measure of the largest angle exceed the measure of the smallest angle? Okay, you have to read carefully. They're not asking what's the degree measure of the largest angle. They're not asking what's the degree measure of the smallest angle. They're asking for the difference of the two. Largest minus the smallest. Let's find out, shall we? So 2 to 3 to 4, this is 2 part plus 3 part plus 4 parts. 2 plus 3 is 5, that's 9 parts altogether. And we know the sum of the angles in a triangle equals 180. Sum of the angles of any triangle equals 180. That's the key part. Any triangle. It doesn't have to be any particular kind of triangle. It doesn't have to be a right angle triangle or an isosceles triangle or an acute triangle or an obtuse triangle or an equilateral triangle. Any kind of triangle, the sum of the degrees of any triangle equals 180. That's what we have here. We have 9 parts and they equal 180. 9 parts equal 180. Therefore 1 part will equal 180 divided by 9. Divide top and bottom by 9 and 18 has 2 9s to it. So each part equals 20 degrees. Each part equals 20 degrees. And the difference between the two here, the difference between the smallest part, the difference between the smallest angle and the largest angle is 2 parts. 1 part equals 20 degrees, so 2 parts equals 40 degrees. That's it. So here we're not calculating the measure of the smallest angle. We're figuring out their difference. It's just a fluke that the smallest angle is also 2 parts, but the difference between the smallest angle and the largest angle, this is 2 parts, this is 4 parts, so the difference is 2 parts. 1 part we just found out is 20, therefore 2 part is 40. The answer is C. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.